parents, dear students, and newly fresh passed out higher secondary students. Right? Today, I will give a small introduction about me. I am myself Professor Ronak Patel, in charge HOD of Interior Design, College of Architecture, SUAT Vasat. Now, today's on the ongoing webinar series of College of Architecture, SUAT Vasat, we welcome architect Ankita Gupta from the team COA SUAT Vasat. For today's webinar on interior design, a career scope, demand, and opportunity, architect Ankita Gupta would like to share her experience and journey. Right? Architect Ankita Gupta pursued undergraduates from Jagannath University and she worked mostly as an interior designer. She worked 3 years at Bangalore and further she worked as a freelancing till now. Once felt to gain the knowledge in the field of creativity. She further on the journey of life pursued masters in interior recently from the Florence Institute of Design International, that is from Florence, Italy. The purpose of inviting vibrant speaker in this platform is to motivate students to understand what interior design is, how students can build up their career in this field of creativity. I also welcome my mentor, guide, and the visionary person too for making this webinar possible is Professor Sailesh Nair, Principal College of Architecture, SUAT Vasat. Good noon, sir, and welcome to this webinar. Sir, I would like to hand over this platform further to you for a quick and short introduction.
Thank you, Ronak. See, on behalf of College of Architecture SVIT, I welcome today's speaker Ankita for this platform for enlightening our students and professionals. I'm happy to tell you that this series has been going on since last 1.5 months on various topics. We finished conservation, we finished digital. Now, yesterday we had our ongoing webinar is on geomatics. Further also, we will like to have various webinars on various other topics also. So I hope this webinar will be beneficial to all the students and the professionals. So without wasting much time, let me hand over the platform to Ankita. And before the session starts, I will request Taha to play our video. This is a short presentation of our college. Okay, this was a short briefing of our college. Now I leave this platform to Ankita. Ankita, you can start.
Yeah, hi everyone, and I would like to thank Sailesh sir and Ronak to give me this opportunity to speak about my journey of interior designing and all. So first, I would like to share my screen with you all. So let's begin. let's begin with the interior design. Actually, what is interior design? What do you think? It's all about the experience of the place and the shape into the spaces with the beautiful aesthetics. So don't be okay. Let's not complicate this with the simple definitions. Okay, let's begin. We we all see everywhere the interior designing concepts like in the spaces like commercial spaces, residential, and ki- if you see there are so many varieties in interiors like kitchens, the indoor spaces. So we're gonna talk about this. And now, first, I would like to tell you the coming students who is here, like what are the qualifications they need to come in this field. So, 10 plus 2,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yeah,
Ma'am, can you just remove your phone from your laptop because it is creating some disturbance.
okay.
Any electronic device is nearby, so it's creating some voice disturbance.
Now it's fine.
Yes, yes. You may continue, ma'am.
Okay. So, what qualifications you need for interior being an interior designer? So, first, you have to complete your 10 plus 2 with any stream, and then with a minimum of 50% marks to pursue a graduation course in interior design. After that, you take any kind of entrance exam for the design, interior design, and on the basis of that, according to your rank, you can select your colleges, which is accredited to the interior design field, which give the license to you to come in this field, in the practical field. Okay. So for the student, I would like to recommend you that when you choose any college, just go through their syllabus. So what kind of learnings you are going to learn there. Okay. And after completing your bachelor's degree, you can do masters in interior designer if you want. You can study abroad also as well as in India, because we in India I feel it's a very good opportunities, and we have a very good education here also. So and if you want to go abroad for the studies, so you can also, because if you are going abroad, you can learning about interior design as well as the explore the city, country, and which give you the exposure to communicate with the people which have different point of views, different living style, because interior is always basically on how we want to live our style. So it's our individual personality, how how we want our space to design. So this is the most important thing. And for masters, you have to do any specification sort of thing also. I can elaborate this in later. And also you can do MBA in interior design. That is also a 2 year course, and from the any recognized university with a minimum of 45 marks. Then, okay, let's talk about what interior designers do and not others. Okay, so interior designer have a degree which is certified with the renowned colleges, and in the 4 years of interior designer, you have the internship period as well as the thesis period, which give you the more exposure in terms of interior designing. So when you coming in the field, practical field, you gain the knowledge in the practical field only. So you have to gain knowledge in art history, architecture, furnitures, interior designer, so industrial design. So it's very important, and as well as you have to be very keen towards the sketching, modeling, drafting, these softwares. And one thing I would like to tell you, students, like, please don't think if you are not in good in sketching, okay, you are not able to do interior designer. It's a myth, okay. So it's not important that you are very good in sketching, you are very good in modeling, because interior design it's a very vast subject, and it's have a very different factors. So you can't be good in one. So we all have a different skills. So yeah, I don't think about this that you only should uh, good in this sketching and all. Okay. So after that, I would like to tell you about the scopes. Okay. So as you know, uh, we all love lifestyle. We seeing changes in lifestyle. What we want to wear, how you want to look in wherever you go, like in the parties, like in the weddings. You always want to yourself look good. Okay, so for that mindset of the people now changing in environment where they want their lifestyle in their interior space, in their houses, in their working space. So now this is the point where the interior designing is changing. Okay, so now the market trends are very much in demand, and also it's the interior designers give the opportunity to give the happy life and comfortable life within the space. So and you can, and you always see some people that we always attract by the looks and why the dresses we wear. And it's sometimes it's a theme based dress, like in the weddings we wear theme based dress, in the parties we wear in the profession, in office we wear the professional kind of. It's all about style. So nowadays it's coming into uh, our daily life. So in this is the eight uh, photos which I am going to tell you how this is related to interiors. Okay, first image you are seeing that there is an image of a girl wearing the whole lehenga and two boys wearing the kurtas. So this is the traditional way, that this is our traditional way to go in weddings. Okay, so in contrast, you can see in the below there is a space in which you can see this traditional thing into your space. So as I told you before, that how you want to dress yourself, you want nowadays in your lifestyle, in your homes. So this is a living room in which you can see the same kind of contrast patterns and color theme and contrast it's going on. So it's very interesting to see. But one thing you can notice that whenever we wear good clothes, we always wear good clothes to go somewhere. Okay, so in the home we are in the normal mood of wearing normal clothes. Okay, so uh, so I think now people want more this in houses, because every time whenever someone comes into your house, they can see your personality, what kind of person you are, what kind of without seeing yourself in a dress. Okay, and the another image, if you can see, this is the another type of style. This is a minimalism based interior design. Okay, if you see above, this is the fashion which is based on the minimal, and below that you see uh, the toilet design in a minimal form of interior. And the another one is the retro theme. So in the previously the designers use the retro theme in a lifestyle. So we also started in the interiors to give that retro feeling in the space, like frescoes and even in bathrooms, so many other places. And the another images of the contemporary style. So some of people are confused with the modern and contemporary, and it's a very vast topic. So I'm not talking about this, but yeah, I just want to tell you that this is the contemporary style, and which is based on now and the present style, and nowadays it's in a trend. So you have to be very up to date what is trends going on these days. So this is you can relate how interior design nowadays is important because it's based on our lifestyle, and it gives the personality to a person to live in a space. Then now we talk about the demands and opportunities here. So the interior industry now are expected to see an exponential growth by 2025 globally. So I think in 2025 we all wanted to be all want our houses to be designed like this and in a better way, because nowadays what happened in India, the lands are uh, rapidly decreasing because and the spaces are reduced. So everyone wants interior for their space in a very small space. How you do interiors? This is what we are doing. So now I'm going to talk about the different sectors of interiors where you can grow. And this is the first residential interior designer. In the residential interior designer, you need to understand the spaces. First, clients need what kind of person he is, what kind of personality your client is carrying, and what kind of taste details and proper space management and the color theories, merging trends to new trends and unique designs and comfort you are going to get. So this is the first field you can go with that. Second is commercial interior space. So these are the specializations. Okay. So when you completed your degree from any recognized college, then you can think what you are good at it. Okay. So if you are good in interiors, home interiors, you can go there. If you feel like I am good in commercial spaces, so you can work for the commercial spaces where you can design the workshops, retail stores, hotels, and with providing the proper functional tasks and add the visual aesthetics. After that, you can also pursue your design in exhibition design. Exhibitions are mostly the temporary based, and these are done by the big firms. Okay, uh, so they do layouts first, and they understand this is all basically on the modular stand designs. Okay, and which usually used in any museum, or if you know about these um, different types of interior designer markets. So in that spaces you can these type of uh, exhibitions, and it's this kind of exhibition is on-site installed exhibitions which you can dismantle later on, and for that you have to be very strong in design. Second, your perspective towards sketching. Now sketching is must here because um, uh, it's important to understand what kind of prototype you are going to make for the particular client, and you have to understand the brand of that client product and the needs and objective. So this is the another kind of interior designer you can pursue. And after that, property styling. Okay, so nowadays what happened, if you see in the market, there are so many good pictures, photographs of interior spaces of any kind, like hotels, interiors of the hotels or resorts, or even the big villas and all, because they want to attract people to come there and just go rent that property. And you only going to take that property when you realize, oh, this is very attractive. By the photo itself, they have they want to showcase you the this, and they give you also in that you have to be very assured with the furniture selections, and you know how to do color palettes and style based, but in a but in a minimum way. It's not a very heavy design. It's a very decent and it's all about the styling of the which object should be in that place, and which kind of fabric, which kind of table lamp, which kind of light mode should be there. So everything you have to thought about it. So this is also one kind of another you can pursue. And this another is the furniture designer. So furniture designer are skilled in designing and creating furnitures. Okay, so in that you can design both kind of furnitures, like exterior and interior things. So like couches, chairs, shelves, tables, decorative items, and its furniture designer are now nowadays everyone wants to do their furniture in a very different style. And if you see nowadays customization is on top. Okay, everyone wants to customize their own furniture, so you can design a furniture and sell in a market if you have a good knowledge of furniture. For that, you have to be very keen about details, particular details, what kind of fabric is there, what kind of material is good for the furniture, long lasting. So these are the things you have to be very accurate. And after and you should be very good in 3D visuals and sketching and prototypes, because first you have to do prototypes of your furnitures, because you want to see that check the assemblability of that product. Okay, it's able to assemble or not. And in even in a furniture design you should be very specific about the like dismantle or not, because furniture is always like it's if you are doing for a factory and for a massive production, so you have to be like very particular about the designing skills. And it's able to it should be very perfect. Okay, so this is the thing. And the another is the architectural lighting design. And in this, if someone is very interesting about the lights, because if your space is if your inner space, if your furniture is good, if your wall paneling is good, everything is so beautiful. But if the light is not there, so I think there is no point of giving that kind of ambience in your environment. So for the particular ambience to the environment, for the particular giving theme or any kind of luxury in your house, so you actually need to be very specific for the lightings. Okay, what there are so many type of lightings in the industry, and you can design yourself. And also like furniture designing, you can sell them. if you are very good in that, and but you have to be very good in that skills also. And after that, there is another specification is like kitchen and bath interior specialist. So you can also be uh, doing interior kitchen spaces for any home, for any big restaurants. So in that also you can grow your future, and in that you have to be very particular about the colors, fixtures, cabinets, walls, coverings, and lightings, appliance, because it's also a very vast topic of interiors. So I think one should get only this as a field, okay, and in even in bathrooms also. So nowadays the fixtures are so different, and technologies are so advanced. So you can pursue your okay. Now there is another is indoor landscape specialist. In the in this interior landscape, what technician do? Okay, they are going to tell you about what kind of plant is required for your space. It's it's able to maintain or not. It's give you the healthy environment, or watering plant or not. So you can go. This is also nowadays, people want some specialist, and because nowadays, landscape is somewhat we all want in our homes even. So this specification is also very interesting, and who loves doing landscape designing, you can also pursue this also. And the last one is the 3D visualizer. So if you are very good in software skills, okay, so you can pursue your uh, design, uh, you can pursue this, okay, because nowadays freelancer is the best thing I found. uh, there are so many websites which give you, and you can not only work for India, you can work as well as abroad also by these websites. If you are very good in softwares, you have to be very you have to learn the software like SketchUp, 3ds Max, which give you the perfect rendering, which give you the proper mode of the space. So this is the best thing if anyone wants to grow their future. Last, I would like to tell you about the successful point, like being an interior designer, how do you be a successful. So interior designer is not about fabrics and all, I'm telling you, because so many people thinking okay, ठीक है, अगर हम यहाँ पर अगर घर में हम सारे टाइप ऑफ मटेरियल्स लगा लेते हैं, फर्नीचर रख लेते हैं, और सब कुछ कर लेते हैं, तो शायद इंटीरियर्स पूरा हो गया. नो, इट्स नॉट अबाउट दैट. यू हैव टू बी very specific about the history of design, very specific about the um, what kind of trends are going on, materials nowadays, because there are so many materials in this field you can do in interior designer in your space. And second, if you are a professional, please develop your portfolio. It's very mandatory. If your portfolio is outstanding, and I think you are able to achieve what you want, okay. And then there are so many competitive uh, like like competitive this businesses going on nowadays, which give you the opportunity to work for them. There is a like us and and another thing is, I think you should read books, interior design books, so you can you develop your own style with that. And reading a book interior based, I can recommend you if you want. Then these are books are amazing to learn about interiors, which help you to do a lot. And then it's obviously it's and first and last thing, don't don't design it for yourself. You are the designer for others, so design for others, not for yourself. Okay, so this is the best that you can do for your success. And yeah, I think this is the end. Thank you so much. Hello.
Thank you, ma'am, for this wonderful and vibrant lecture from your side to, I think, guide the new generation that what is the importance of this interior design. Um, Apart from that, I would like to say a few words regarding being an HOD of an interior design. That nowadays, I think आपको पता होगा कि being an architect is like everybody knows, but it's comparatively like being an interior designer is also fun to be an interior designer, right? Now everybody might be having a question like, why not an interior design and be an architect? But the thing is that, yeah, like that question always comes in the mind of a student, the ones while firstly choosing the field. But if we will say that, if I will give the best example in today's scenario, like we all do a practice, right? We, being a professor, also I am doing a practicing. I do practice, right? Freelancing, and I do own my firm. But the thing, what happens in the market is that okay, if you are going to pay the fees, right? Because everybody is rushing after the money, right? So I will I will just share one good example in front of you that being an architect, you are going to be paid like 50 to 70 rupees per square feet as an exterior designer. While an interior designer, it starts from 80 to 100 rupees. Now, I don't know why there's huge differences there between an architect and interior. So it's fun, but it's not all about money. It's like the thing which you become a creative, right? Because creativity is always in the field of architecture, and interior is a part of an architecture too, right? Because like we when we design a building, right, the building has been designed in such a way that the form, space, uh, the particular space, so space designing has been done, as well as the form has been given by an architect. But at the same time, if you see that interior designer, what it does, like if you feel any building, and if you feel from inside that the liveliness is always been created by the interiors, right? So I think the opportunity for being an interior design is quite compared to and with an architects too. So for the students who are like taking their one step back to become an interior designer, and the difference between these two fields is that there are architect is a 5 years course, while few of the interior courses are running with the 4 years course, in which both fields includes the training part also as well as the thesis part in their academic syllabus. So I think according to the need of the particular courses, the design has been done, and it is well designed actually, where all the segments are inserted in a proper manner in all the semester in all the universities in whole India, right? And we know that if I will feel about my personal experience that what do you feel about traveling only in India? Man, it's very hard to understand India only right now. And it's very tough to understand whatever has been designed, whatever the gift has been given to us in this particular country, right? Like you are doing masters in Florence, Italy, architect ma'am, Ankita ma'am. But I think few of the things which we also don't know in India what is going on or what has been done in the past. Means we have not understand the spaces, and soon by realizing it, by learning it, still being a learner at this age also, and further to move on, I think we are always be a learner, right, in this field.
Yes, yes.
So, and we nurture according to that way only. But nowadays, you know that the students are expecting that how we just finish our undergraduates and we get a big package of earning a money, right?
Yeah,
But
exactly.
but in our field, it's like totally different, right? For example, for in our field is in such a manner that a person gets a capability to withstand against everything, right? Because in this field of creativity, we have to deal with everything like emotions, personality development, the speech, then the talking sensibility, then the senses, right? I think we deal with all the nature things which we have like learned in this particular subject, like being an architect, being an interior designer. So I request students that if you will think about this particular course, then it has so many opportunities, right? For opportunities in the sense that you can do your masters, your further studies too. You can do your PhDs. Apart from that, you can start your own business and after completing the bachelor's. At the same time, you can work in the offices too, right? Gaining an experience, extra knowledge will be always beneficial to any of the student. So I think forget about the difference between architecture and interior. I think nowadays every field has its own importance and every field has gone depth in so much that you will always have an opportunity to do something. Here in this field of creativity, you have so many options for your career built up. Like arts is also included. Even if you are knowing the tendering part, then it will also help in the interior designing too by taking turnkey projects. Apart from that, you can always design a product. Then you can be an interior landscaper. You can always design in the terms of industrial designs too. Not in that, in the form of if you see elaboration of this particular interior design field, then you might be aware that aerospace interior is also being designed by the designers too, as well as automobile interiors, right? So the opportunities are so much in this field too. It's the like you creating yourself, and it's in the hand of the faculty, which are right now. I think every student in this particular platform might be cleared with this particular subject and their career. So this lecture was kept to enhance the career and to understand this field in a depth. And I know that so many questions will be having in your mind right now, from the student side, from the parent side, that that can be taken in the chat box, or we are there for you to answer, or you can contact us anytime. And we have shared with you our details too in the posters too. So you can contact anytime. We are there for you. We just want to enlighten the students in this field of creativity, and by not only architecture but interior, then landscaping. So many branches are there in this particular field of creativity, and it's a best chance, right, in this today's scenario to stand individual. So I hope that student will understand that particular statement in quite positive way, that what is required in today's scenario and how to take that particular decision in their life in a positive manner. Thank you, everybody, for participating in this today's webinar. Thank you, Architect Ankita Gupta.
Thank you.
Thank you, Principal Sir. And thank you to all my COA team, which is working very hard for all these webinars which are being conducting. I request all my students also who are right career selecting options for further my institute has has participated in this particular webinar. It's like always enhancing your education, move forward, push hard, and develop your career. Right? Thank you, everybody, for uh, coming into this platform. I know it might be hard, and if there is any question, I think, ma'am, you have some few questions from Ayushi Singh and
Okay.
Harsh Parekh in the chat box. If you would like to answer them.
Okay. Archie, she asked something like, can a portfolio be of both handmade and digital sketching? Yeah, sure, for sure. Because I think handmade sketching portfolio is always appreciated in this field because we love to see handmade things. And yeah, and after one more question, I completed my Ayushi, if you applied in FDA, I'm not a part of FDA. My college is FIDI, and I know about FDA. It's also a good college. Their curriculum is good, but I think it's not a right time to go to abroad because the situation there is not good, and even for the job opportunities, I'm saying it's better to work here only. Um, and another question is Harsh. Okay, uh, how much investment? Okay, it's. I think I can't tell you how much I invest in architecture and interior designing because I never calculated. Because nowadays, actually, I always do interior designing and architecture with freelance work. Okay, even when I'm doing my interior designing course in Italy, I'm doing parallelly the freelance work there also. So it's always, I think it's always good to do this kind of thing because we all are designers and we have lot of opportunities as a freelancer. And I think. Is any other question you want anyone wants to ask me? I think this much questions I have.
Thank you, ma'am, for answering the questions. And if any questions are still left out, they can have this particular question within 5-10 minutes. If anyone has this, I think particular investment I will talk about. If Harsh Parekh has asked about the investment is required from our side, I think I have started from zero, beta, because I think it depends upon the individuality and the personality of the person to person, matters from person to person. I think if you're doing job simultaneously, you are doing a freelancing on the other side, so it's like you are earning from any hand. If you know any of the software, then you know that in the market, if you are creating one image of the three, then you are getting 3 to 4 thousand per image in this today's scenario, right? So working home, even work from home works for us quite very well in this particular situations in the pandemic too. So I think
Exactly.
Harsh, for your question regarding the investment, I think it depends upon the individuality of the person.
Uh, Hi Archie.
Okay, Archie.
You talk about portfolio should have the perspective based sketches. No, it's not about that. It's like, but you should be very appropriate with whatever you are showing to anyone because it should be very so you have to be very particular about this one. Um, I think hand sketches, if you are very good in 3D, okay, so just put your renderings and your renderings speak yourself. Okay. Yeah, that's
I think the portfolio should be balanced quite well by every individuals. That you should know how to balance everything in your life. That helps your portfolio too. If you will focus on one thing, then you know that you will be perfected in that. But I think if you want to show your multi talents in just one thing, because that is going to be your portfolio, then you have to, I think, balance each and everything and make your portfolio very strong. Okay, that will
Hello.
be my answer from Archie to Archie.
Hello.
Yeah.
Can you listen to me? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Uh, In a chat book, I mentioned about two things: mechanization and parametric softwares. In my very long career, working with many kinds of the Indian traditional work, I realized that the use of CNC machine, 3D printing, then parametric softwares like Revit and Archicad, they are of great use in producing number of good things. I think we should stress more on this kind of an aspects, because when I saw the skill part which you mentioned, she only mentioned about the CAD. CAD includes everything, but basically our stresses should be more, because in interior what we need is not only the design or the views, but the data, and the database things can be done better with either MEP or with Archicad or Revit. So I think that we should increase the stresses so that we can have a perfect kind of a design solution. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing this knowledge.
I,
And yes, sir. I think nowadays every new softwares are being introduced, as we all know that day by day, all the talents in the IT fields are also coming. Like today, we can make the whole 3D model in one of the software, and that can be like in front of our eyes with help of the particular technology. So I think there are good opportunities there to learn the softwares, and we are trying our best to make them aware about using all the softwares. Even all the universities and all the colleges are quite ahead, and council is also approaching for that they should be advanced with the software knowledge to each and every students.
One of the architect, the famous architect, said that the age of parallels and straight line has gone,
Yes,
and
of course.
and and to give the better, because we need such kind of knowledge of uh, softwares which don't only produce 3D, but also along with that there are data which are available: climatic data, acoustical data, estimation. Everything can be done with the parametrics, and I think we have to now think about uh, organizing such kind of the trainings to the student so that we can produce a faster and better designs. Thank you.
Yes, sure. Is this Pooja Shihora? How to improve our speech during meeting with clients? That you will be able to learn in this 4 years course. That's for 100% surety. Because to make a personality, you have to understand what to speak, how to speak, and when to speak. And that is the best thing which you will learn in this particular part of creativity. So, Pooja, I think for that you need to experience and try to practice more and more with that. Is there any questions other than Pooja? Anybody will to speak on the video or on the audio if possible, if not in the writing then? Okay. Ankita, your perceptions for Pooja, if you want to give for Pooja Shihora.
okay, so how to improve the speech? I think with the clients, Are you able to?
Is it audible, everybody? Yes, madam, it's audible.
Okay. So I think you should, if whenever you meet with your clients, you should you should know what your client perspective towards the design, what he or she wants for their interior space, because if you miss that, okay, by any chance that you don't know what your client thought, what your client wished for, then you might lose the project. Okay, and if you are not sure about um, the technicals like materials and the style-based interiors, the trends. If you don't know about these things, then also it might be a problem. So yeah, this is, I think this is the most important thing. You should be very um, tuned towards your knowledge that.
Okay. So I think thank you
Sir,
everyone.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello everyone.
Yeah.
Ankita ma'am, for the experience you have said, I have attended the whole webinar. My question is nowadays, if you notice, then the architectural design as well as interior, both are different in India as well as abroad.
Yeah,
Seems that
exactly.
more creativity and more uniqueness we can feel outside India. So, what unique things we can follow or we can learn from outside India or from abroad people? Could you please give your opinion about it little bit? Any of you, either Mr. Ronak or Ms. Ankita ma'am.
Okay. So I think I mostly learn what I love about abroad is the the design perspective of what kind of design they do. They work on technologies, okay, new technologies, and also if whenever you go abroad, you can see there the uh, displays, okay, displays of their place. They are very good in shop displays, okay. uh, they know how to attract people, okay, and they give the displays in such a manner. uh, the decoration of the displays are so good, the lighting modes, the color combination, contrast, and these things are very very amazing to see, and you can learn from there. Uh, it's not hidden at all, uh, and yeah, this is the best part I see in Florence actually. Um,
excuse me, ma'am or sir, am I audible?
Yes.
I just wanted to ask about the architecture exam. I mean, NATA. The revised schedule says that, I mean, there will be no drawing question. So, is there any further update about it? I mean, what MCQs must it contain and all, or you are aware of it and you may share or anything like that?
Archie, according to the NATA recent circular, if you will check, then they have said that the particular thing has been extended, right? First, and the second thing is that the drawing test, if they want to opt, means yet not it has been decided, right? Okay, how they are going to conduct. Only the first test schedule has been fixed and it has been extended. You know that. The
Yes,
later on,
yes.
I think if you have any questions regarding that particular entrance exam, then I think the better approach will be the NATA Center, Pune. So you can approach them as they have given their contact number, right? Because today only that circular came, and we are I think one of the students shared with me and they were asking about me, but we also didn't get confirmation from the NATA center to all the colleges. So we will just talk with the NATA center, and I hope we will help you in that within 1 or 2 days to answer that particular question.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So I think we should end here with the vote of thanks. So thank you, Ankita ma'am, for having this wonderful session. Thanks to all participants. We have eagerly participated and waited for this particular session. Thank you to all my students. Thank you to all the COA team for working hard. And we should end up with this, having a wonderful evening ahead. So thank you, everybody.
Thank